In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from virtual debit cards. So Wise is among the applications where you can actually get virtual debit cards. So to view your card details, you can go ahead and head over into the cards tab. You'll find in between the home and the recipients tab. So in here, you'll be able to find of the information about your card. You can also pay QR codes using your virtual Wise card. But to be able to actually withdraw your money from this virtual cards, you'll need to transfer your money from your virtual debit card into your physical debit card that you can actually use to withdraw on ATMs. You can also order a card version of this virtual debit card depending on the app that you're currently using. As for Wise, it is available. If you don't want to spend Wise, you can go ahead and transfer your money from this virtual debit card into your personal debit card by heading over into the home section and clicking on the send button. So in here, go ahead and make sure to head over into the My Accounts tab and select your debit card and enter the amount that you want to transfer from your virtual debit card into your debit card. And that is how you can simply withdraw your money from a virtual debit card.